Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Sonali from It Starts at Home, and today I'm sharing with you the Montessori space or the fun learning homeschooling space that we have. So I have just moved into a new house. I'm just gonna make you like take a quick look. So that's our living room area basically, and that's my loft that I have. And these are the stairs just to come up from the loft or the kitchen, like to the second floor up here. And as soon as you come in here, I have my TV right here, and I have my whole play area and Montessori area, homeschooling, like whatever name you want to give it. It's just right here. So what I have is a very simple setup. I just have a couch here where like we like crash, we sit down. Then I have a mat, and if you have been watching my videos, you would have noticed this mat like in almost every video earlier when Vivan used to like sit down and do his stuff. That's his reading chair. And as you can see, it's like a very simple straightforward setup. You won't see like actually Montessori trays, because Vivan likes to put everything on the floor, okay, and he likes to sit down on the floor with his table and then do the work. I'm just gonna quickly show you. So that's my book rack. Basically the books that we have bought is all here, and we have our sketch pens, like all kinds of crayons and pens right here in these three boxes. That's like a little fun thing that he keeps playing with. That's here. We have a pencil stand here, and then we have all the nitty-gritty small things that we need. So we have our pointer here in these baskets, and then the stacks, like the baby stacks that we have. So I have used all different kind of stuff in here, and I have some extra paper right here. Whenever he needs, he knows he has to just come and pick it up from here. I don't know if you are very familiar with this picture, but every time I take a tour, I show this picture of Vivan. It's been like always, I've always put this picture wherever our homeschooling area is. I have a very important information right there for him. Our learning wall is right here. As you can see, it's just I have just put it right here, and then this is where we keep all the stuff. I'm gonna like make you see. On the top we have everything that we have made or things that are collectibles and something that is very near and dear to our heart. I've just put everything there. Those are my memory jars, and if you want to know like what's in there, there's a link below there for memory jars. You can like definitely check up, and I'll also put a link up here so that you can just go and click on the video and you'll figure it out. And this is something that we had built. That's our old time clock that we used to study. And then you have all his collectible cars here which have been gifted or very important or some significance. And so for all the stuff that's on the tray now, because ouch, sorry, this is what happens when you have too many cars in the house. That was extremely funny, right guys? I'm sorry. Okay, so we have all our board games right here, and we are too much into board games and the games that we play. So this is the access, like all these four cubes have all the games that we play. You can like you can see it there. And then we have all the puzzles right here. I have all my Montessori stuff that I keep using in terms of trays, and everything that I present is right here. I have my magnetic blocks right here. I can show you, like this is one, and then the rest is here along with some puzzles. Anything in terms of flashcards or cards are just right here, and then again some more games. Then we have one of these games here. Then we have a color boards here, and we have a lot of Lego, open Lego that he is building right now. Then I have these two wood intelligence game here along with the magnetic alphabets and 100 board right here. I have my Grolier book set right here, and these are the extra books that we've been doing along with something that we've been doing every day now goes here. And then we have our coding and some other toys right here, and this is a work in progress section. So like the activities which are in progress right now, half finished, something is left, I have to take it out in a week's or 2 weeks time, I put them right here. Okay, and this is this is like a small fun learning sheets for Vivan. So anything that Vivan does in the kindergarten right now in the school, it comes, we do. I mean, I see it and it all goes in here. By the end of the year, I see what is important, what is not, and I take pictures and I put it in a folder, and then I trash like all the other papers. But if there's any art or something that he's done for the first time, I try and keep that. Okay, so we have this mat. I'm sure now by now you know. Vivan is a big car Hot Wheels fan, so we always have our cars like everywhere in the house along with the books. Okay, and this is another section that I have where we have all the toys set up here in the baskets. So we have all building blocks, different kinds right here. We have our science kit here. There's a basket which is full of cars again, and then we have Lego hexes and the learning tools here, and then we have here a mega basket where we have all these boy toys. We have a hammer, we have transformers, we have trucks, we have the bat, we have these glowing, wow, they don't glow anymore. That's amazing. I thought, oh yeah, this one is glowing at least. Okay, and then we have all these figurines that Vivan plays. So I basically keep changing all this stuff. And if you'll see right here, I have some stuff right there. I have my board, writing board there, and the stuff that I have to make, the list is on. My printer, which is never used, is right there. And then some more trucks, his Ninjago, Nintendo. So he plays his Xbox right here. These are the two figurines that he built recently. They are here. The other ones, I keep them inside. I have no place to keep it outside. Some more trucks and another building blocks right here. Okay, so I'm gonna show you another one which is cupboard right here. And I have my flag here. Yes, we have done a lot on this flag. We have really learned and we are still learning. Okay, so this is the place where I'm gonna start from the top rack. So if you see up right here, I have all these games that have not opened or something that we are not using right now, but they're like all brand new, like gifted it to him. And then we have all the art that he has made. I've pasted it here, and the figurines that he has made. Then I have my supply right here. So, and he has his Pikachu. He's a big fan. He's a big Pokemon fan, a big Pokemon fan. I have my acrylic paints here, and these are the six baskets. You can see that I have filled my stickers, paper sheet, paints, everything right in here. And this is what Vivan uses. He uses this to sit down and does his stuff. So basically all the stuff that I need is like in here, all organized in a pretty nice way. I'm like, I have an OCD when it comes to like cluttering, seeing clutter and like then deorganizing it. So I like to like organize everything that I can see, and so that it's easy accessible. I didn't have a lot of space, and I thought this is the perfect space to like put his stuff. He's happy that I've put it here. I don't have too many walls, and I think it's a brand new house. I didn't want to take the chance. However, I am using these stickers with the magnets, and they stick on pretty well. I don't know if you've seen this. I can put up a link for you guys if you want to like pick up for your kids. And it's very easy. You have to just peel and put it here. And then on top you can put a stick, you can put the magnet. So that's it guys. If you have any kind of questions setting up, actually you don't need a lot of stuff. All you need is a little space. One of these racks where you can put your stuff, or you can use like big boxes and label them very nicely, and then the way you want to present to your child, you can. We do Montessori activities, but I don't present it to him because he likes everything like laid out on a floor, like or 3-4 times, like everything here, and then he wants to go and see and pick it up. And I think he's growing also, so he finds that very baby now. So that's why I think we have moved on to that thing, and we have just like everything in an analog way. That's it guys. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you next time.